you'll first need to head over to our website, nhsbenchmarking.nhs.uk. To access the members area, simply click the blue members area button in the top right. This will then take you through to the members area login. If you already have a login, please use your login details to access. If this is your first time accessing, then please use the request to login button. If you type in your organisation, you'll then be taken through to the request a login page. Under here, you will provide your full name, email address, and job title. You'll then be able to select the applicable projects to your organisation. After agreeing to our terms and conditions, the login will be sent through to our team who will be able to provide access. After logging into the members area, you'll be presented with our home page. If you wish to return to this page at any time, you can click either the home button or the NHS Benchmarking Network's logo in the top left-hand corner. If you've visited the members area before and you think, well, this looks slightly different to how it used to be, you can go on to the classic view. So we'll start with the main home page now. We will go through each of the highlighted sections as we go through. But if we start here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see our events. Now you can click onto these and it will take you through to the events page. We also have the resources page. So if you're looking for some resources, for example, the key findings, infographics and survey reports, you can access the most recently uploaded ones here. What you'll see here is all of your current projects. By scrolling down the home page, you'll be able to see other projects. These may contain projects that your organisation has not registered for or projects that do not require registration. We also have historical projects. So if we're to use the example of emergency care, you'll see here that this data collection is currently closed, and any of those which are closed will be highlighted in red. And as you can see from the above, the ones which will remain open will be highlighted in green. If you click onto the eye icon next to the project name, this will then take you through to the project overview page. The key information here is the contact details for the relevant project managers, assistant managers and coordinators, but also the project timescales. So you can put those dates in your diaries if you wish to keep on track. Now returning back to the home page, you'll see here on the right hand side we have the two buttons, outputs and data collection. It is, however, worth noting that these buttons will change based on the stage of the project. For example, during registration, there will be a registration button. If we first start on the data collection button, on here you'll find some key information about the project, such as the specification, which you can download, and also the submissions as well. It's also key to highlight that you'll also have the contact number and the email address of the relevant person if you wish to discuss anything around the data collection process. Heading back to the home page again, we'll now click onto the outputs. Similar to the home page, on the left hand side you'll see a number of quick options to click onto. So there's some quick hyperlinks to access things such as summary findings, event presentations, project reports, and then of course our forum as well. You'll see these 9 boxes. Each of these will be a randomized output. So if that output appears on there, then you can just click onto there and it will take you straight through to that output. If there's a particular output that you're looking for, what we'll do now is click onto the Open the Full Toolkit button. So on the left-hand side, we'll see all of the years which the project has run and all the years in which there will be project data available. So if we're to click onto 2023, this will give you a number of different tree drop-down options. So if there's a specific one you're looking for example, finance, expenditure, pay spend, then this will take you straight through to that one. We next head over to our events page. So this is where you'll find all of our events. Some events may require registration, and you can do this by clicking the green button. You can also access some of our workforce program events, and this will take you through to a separate page. If you're looking for things such as the event presentations, the event recordings, you'd then have to click onto this toggle past events button. This will then show you all of our past events. By clicking the two documents here, show two documents, this will then show you the Virtual Awards presentation, and it will also show you the Virtual Awards event recording. Over to the resources page. So if you're looking for some specific resources for a specific project, and to save you going into that specific project's output page, you can use the search function, which will show you the applicable outputs for each of those projects in an easy and accessible form. We do also have the filter options and a button specifically for event documents. So next onto the contact page. So firstly, you'll be able to select a specific project which it may relate to. So for example, if you use Acute, this will then give you relevant numbers for contacting the Acute team. If you're just looking for a general query, you can either call the number listed there or the email address. You can instead use the box option where you can select this specific project and type any relevant message. If we next head over to the right-hand corner, this will show your name. You click onto My Profile. My Profile will allow you to edit your name, job title. You can also update your newsletter subscription, and you can also change your password and look at any roles. On the membership history page, this will show you all of the historic projects that your organisation has registered and participated in. The help option has some key information in regards to the members area. We encourage you to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, but not Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, as these are not fully supported.